To use the end-of-year wizard, make sure you're in the Manage Users area and at the top click on Import/Sync. Click on the EOY wizard. We recommend that you only use this method if you're a one-form entry school. Select your Year 6 pupils and add them to the Leaving area. Then click on Next. Now select your Year 5 pupils and add them to the Year 6 class. And click on Next. And select your Year 4 pupils and add them to the Year 5 class. And your Year 3 pupils and add them to the Year 4 class. Your Year 2 pupils, add to the Year 3 class. And your Year 1 pupils to the Year 2 class. You can then add your reception pupils to the Year 1 class and your nursery pupils to the reception class. If you have any pupils listed under free, you can either leave them alone, this won't affect your account, or you could add them to the nursery class or to Leaving. Then click on Next. You do not have to archive work and you do not have to increment the year groups. Then click Next. You'll then be presented with a page showing you everything that you've just done. If you are happy and have reviewed everything, click on Finish to complete the process. The wizard is now complete. You'll see a summary of the changes and then can click on Close. To be able to use the end-of-year wizard, you need to have a year group assigned to a class. So in this example, we can see year groups are assigned to some classes, but not others. To assign a year group to the Rabbit class, I can double-click on it and tick Year 3 and click on Save. I can do the same for my Year 5 Bumblebee class. This was a video on how to use the end-of-year sync wizard. If you have any questions or need any support, please contact support@twosimple.com.